Mini Maker, the mini waffle maker machine for individual waffles, paninis, hash browns, and other on-the-go breakfast, lunch, or snacks. More than waffles, make paninis, hash browns, and even biscuit pizzas. Any wet batter will waffle your treats and snacks into single serving portions. Great for kids or on the go. Compact plus lightweight, weighing 1 pound plus, this is a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper, RV traveling. Quick plus easy, simply plug it in and go, it heats up in mere minutes. The dual non-stick surfaces provide an even cook for consistent results, each and every time. Perfect gift, the perfect wedding or new home gift. Its small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. Add to your registry now. Includes, backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty, the Mini Waffle Maker includes recipe book and recipe database access. All non-electric parts are easily wiped clean.